Hello everyone, as you can see, today's topic is going to be on equity of matrix. The equity of matrix is leading to simultaneous equation. We all know that simultaneous equation is a situation whereby we have two equations and asked to find the value of unknown in it. So we're going to learn it. This simultaneous equity of matrix, you can see, leads to simultaneous equation. So we are going to see how we solve it, including the solving of simultaneous equation. And also, those that know, we know that the simultaneous equation has three methods. Famously, we have two methods, which is elimination method and the substitution method. Therefore, we're going to try both the methods here. So example, find the value of x, y, and a and b if 3x plus 4, that is matrix of 3x plus 4, a plus b 6, 2a minus b, x minus 2y minus 3 is equals to matrix of 2, 4, 6 minus 5, 4 minus 3. So now let's see how we solve them. So first of all, we know the rule of equity of matrix, that the corresponding values are equal. When two matrices are equal, therefore the corresponding values are equal. So now let's look at this. When we are asked to find x and y, a and b, but let's first find x and y first. So therefore, by looking at this 3x plus 4y is equals to 2 because their values corresponds. Therefore, from the beginning, we are going to say that is 3x plus 4y is equals to 2. This is equation 1. Let's assume this one is equation 1. And then the secondly, also x minus 2y is equals to 4 because their values corresponds. Therefore, here x minus 2y is equals to 4. Here we get equation 2. So now let's solve these two equations simultaneously. So how are we going to do that? We are going to take the equation 2 and make x the subject of the formula in equation 2. Therefore, we are going to say make x subject in equation 2. Let's write it this way. Therefore, when we take this one, that is x minus 2y is equals to 4. To make x the subject, therefore, we're going to take this 2y to this side, which when we take it to this side, the negative sign here will become plus. That is, here is the same thing as x. So this implies that x is equals to 4. When this one comes here, will become plus 2y. This is equation 3. From here, we are going to substitute x since we make x the subject of the formula here. Therefore, here we are going to substitute the value of x here. So therefore, here implies that here we have 3 into brackets. That is, this value of x is going to be replaced here. That is 4 plus 2y. And then here we have 4y here. 4y then is equals to 2. From here, when we factorize here, there is going to as 12 here. That is 12 because 3 times 4 is 12. Then 3 times 2, which is the same thing as 6, and then y here. And then plus we have 4y here, the same thing as 2. So this implies that here this one and this one are going to be added together, and this one is taken here. Okay? Therefore 6y plus 4y is the same thing as 10y, is the same thing as this 2 here will be here minus when this 12 is positive here, when taken here is going to be minus, therefore minus 12 here. So here we have 10y, and then here 2 minus 12. Therefore here we are subtracting this one. There we have 10y here is the same thing as here is going to be minus 10 because 2 minus 12y, the 12 is bigger. And then lastly, this implies that this 10 can cancel this 10. So will give us y is equals to minus 1. Since here is 10, here is minus 10. Therefore, when we divide both sides, therefore 10 will cancel 10, and the answer is going to be, our value of y is going to be minus 1. So from here, here we are going to substitute y in 3 in order to get x. Y is 3. 3x is the same thing as 4 plus 2y. So from here, this is the 3, that is the one we make the subject of formula. Therefore, when we substitute y as -1, this implies that x is equals to 4 plus 2 into bracket -1. Therefore, instead of y, we replace it by -1. And then here, when we multiply, this is the same thing as x is now equals to 4 plus 2 times -1. Is going to be -2 here, which implies that x is equals to, here plus minus, that is 4 minus 2. This shows that x is equals to 2. That is, this is the value of x. Therefore, now we determine the value of x and the value of y. As x is the same thing as -2 and y is the same thing as -1. So now, since we find the x and y, now therefore we are going to use this one and this one, which correspond to this one and this one, in order to get the value of a and b. That is, a plus b is equals to 5, and then 2a minus b is the same thing as -5. Therefore, we are going to use them in order to find the a and b. So again, from the matrix, a plus b is equals to 5, which is equation 4, and then also 2a minus b is the same thing as -5. This one is equation 5. Therefore, in this time around, we are going to use the elimination method in order to find the value of a and b here. So from here, let's use the elimination method. So in the elimination method, we are going to, since we have b and b here, this one is positive, this one is negative. Therefore, if we add both the equations, we can be able to eliminate b here and then find the value of a. So here, a plus 2a is the same thing as 3a, and then here is 0. Then 5 minus 5 is the same thing as 0. Or 5 plus -5 is the same thing as 0. This implies that a is the same thing as 0, because when we divide both sides by 3, then 0 divided by 3 is the same thing as 0. Therefore, a is equals to 0. So therefore, we can say from here, substitute a in 4, that is in equation 4, to get b. Therefore, this is equation 4, that is a plus b is equals to 5. When we substitute a to be equals to 0, implies that 0 plus b is equals to 5. This shows that b is the same thing as 5, because here 0 plus b is b. Therefore, we find all the values. We can see that, therefore, x is equals to 2. From here, y is equals to -1. And then a is equals to 0, and b is equals to 5. So these are the unknown that we asked to find from the matrix initially. So this is the exercise we are going to work on. That is, exercise find the value of a, b, c, and d if a minus b, that is matrix of a minus b, 2a minus b, 2c plus d, 2a plus d is the same thing as 5, 12, 3, and 15 here. So we are going to equate them and find the value of a, b, and c. So now you can make your solution snap and post it in the comments. Also, if you experience any difficulties, you can also comment your problems or attempting there. Thank you for watching.